Hi, this is Leanne at Complete Payroll. Welcome to Payroll Country. Today we're going to take a look at how we create payroll and a batch for entering our checks in Evolution Classic. Beginning at our dashboard, we're going to select the payroll button on the left and then select payroll from the window that pops up. We're taken to the Payroll Notes tab because there is a note present for this company. This note contains time clock setup details, but you can use this area to enter notes of any kind to create reminders for yourself as an Evolution user or other users at your company. If I need to change my company, I will click on the Company tab and make my selection, or if I'm ready to create my payroll, I'll click on the Payroll tab. Here I'm given a view of my most recent processed payroll, and to create my next payroll check date, I'm going to come down to the bottom right of this page under Controls and click the Create Payroll button. I'll verify that the check date is correct, and then I'll click the green check mark at the top of the screen. When the system has completed the check date setup, I will see that the check date appears here at the top of the screen, and I am taken to the Batch tab. Here I will click on the Create Batch button under Controls, and then I'm going to verify the frequency of my payroll, the period begin date, and the period end date. If I need to change my frequency, I can simply click on the drop-down arrow and select a different frequency. I can also alter the period begin date and period end date if necessary. If I want to use a payroll filter, I'll click on the drop-down arrow to select the appropriate filter name. Filters allow you to set up and assign employees to specific groups in order to create separate batches containing only these filtered employees. This can be helpful when entering payroll for a large number of employees at one company. And if I need to use a payroll check template, perhaps for a bonus run, I can select that as well. Most of the time, I'm just going to be using the batch with the default settings based on the calendar that's previously been set up. Once I'm satisfied with the frequency, period begin date, and end date, I'm going to click on the green check mark. The pop-up window is going to ask me if I'd like to auto-create checks for this batch, to which we'll answer yes. Auto-create means it's going to create a single check for every active employee as of the date of this processing payroll. When the batch is complete, the status window will disappear, and I can click on the Quick Entry grid to see the list of my employees and continue with entering my payroll. For further demonstration of other payroll entry tasks, please see our video library at CompletePayroll.com. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.